Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to talk to you about how to clean a smelly front-load washer. Those of you that own a front-load washer, at some point or another have probably encountered a foul smell coming from the washer and wondered, how do I clean that properly? We'll give you some tips on how to clean it and also some tips on how to prevent the odor from reoccurring. Now, part of the reason why your front-load washer may have a smell to it is a buildup of residue from detergents or fabric softeners. So the first thing we're going to clean is the dispenser itself. Simply pull it to its full open position, press down on the release tab, and then remove the dispenser altogether. We suggest the easiest way to clean this is to soak it in as hot of water as you can get, and using a household cleaner, we'll just spray all of the components inside, allow that to set, and then scrub it with a brush until we remove all of that residue, and then it's ready to put back in the machine. Now next, we'll want to clean the inner tub. Now, typically, your front load washer will have a stainless steel basket, which typically does not attract much dirt. However, the outer tub is typically a plastic material, and soap residue will build up on that. So our suggested method to clean that tub is to take a couple of cups of baking soda, put it through your dispenser, or dump it directly into the tub. Select the hottest wash cycle possible, or if your model is equipped with a clean cycle, set it to that clean cycle and run it to the end. Once we've done that, we'll then suggest that you take some white vinegar and put a couple of cups of that either through to the dispenser or directly into the tub, and allow that to go through a hot wash cycle or a clean cycle. Once that's complete, we then suggest that you do a hot water cycle with no cleaner, allow the cycle to complete, and that will rinse out any residue from the baking soda or the vinegar. Now the next item to look at will be the door bellows. Typically, you'll find some dirt or residue in the bottom portion of that, so we suggest that you clean that with a household cleaner or a combination of baking soda and vinegar. Rinse it out well. Now once we've cleaned that bellows area, we'll also want to make sure that the door glass is clean as well, particularly down on the bottom edge of that. Just using a household cleaner, scrub that nice and clean and make sure it's free of any hair or soap residue. Rinse it well and your washer is clean. Now to keep your washer smelling fresh, we suggest that at the end of each wash cycle, you wipe out that door seal area, make sure it's clean and dry, pull the dispenser drawer out, rinse out any compartment that may have some residue left in it, and leave the compartment partially open. That will allow air to flow through that compartment and dry it well. As well, we'll leave the main door open part way, and you may need to prop something in there to do that, or if you have room, you can leave it fully open. And again, that will allow air to circulate through your drum and keep it dry and prevent odors from reoccurring. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that it was helpful to you. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.